Okay, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are doing well. I want to say thank you to my old subscribers, and I want to say welcome. And to my oldies, including my notification gang, I want to say what up, what it do, what it do. I hope you are doing well. And today's specific video is going to be about natural hair. So if you are trying to figure out this whole natural hair, well, if you're trying to join the whole natural hair movement, it's not even like a community, it's like a whole movement right now, you know what I mean? Okay, cool. So that's exactly what I'm going to be discussing in today's video. I think I'm going to make two-part because I don't want to overwhelm you. So in this specific video, we're just going to be talking about the basic tools that you need for your natural hair, okay? So without any further ado, let us hop right into the video. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna need, okay, wait, before we step into what you're gonna be needing, let me just do a quick disclaimer. Okay, so jeans are a real thing. Jeans, not the ones you wear, but jeans with the G-E-N-E-S, jeans, those jeans, they play a huge role, okay? If your mom and your mom and if your mom and your pops got good hair, you're most likely to have good hair. But if they don't, then you're gonna be suffering. Cool. The next thing is eating right, eating healthy food, eating your greens, drinking. Okay, well, eating right is also important. Then drinking water. Okay, so it's very important to also remain hydrated because your hair also remains hydrated. If you're hearing thunders in the background and I'm not able to edit the background sound out, it's raining on my side. Okay, cool. We need the rain. We are living in South Africa. Y'all know our rain problem. Okay, our water problem. We have water problems. We got power problems. Hey, anyway, so those are the also the last thing is having hair conditions. So a lot of people maybe suffer from I don't know, thinning hair. I don't know due to what, not really sure. And also you know, hair conditions such as like alopecia and all that kind of stuff, where basically a part of your hair kind of goes bald. So yeah, so if you have one of those things and you need to, if you have the last one, which is like a hair condition, please go see a hair doctor. I don't know what they're called, but you need to go see a hair doctor and ask them, you know, for the right stuff. Don't be saying TD said that you must use castor oil on your bald spot. Don't even try me, please. All right, so let us get into the tools that you're going to be needing for your natural hair. Your fingers. You're going to be using your fingers for literally almost everything. Washing, detangling, okay, so the first thing, well, not the first, the only tip I have when coming to your fingers is please ensure that your finger nails are smooth, they are not chipped, because if it gets stuck in your hair, you're going to be losing unnecessary hair, and it's just going to be making your detangling process so much longer than it should be, and it's going to be painful. Like, don't do that to yourself. So just file your nails, ensure that they're smooth, and detangle smoothly, freely, nicely. Alright? Cool. Then the second thing you're gonna need is a spray bottle. Some sort of spray bottle. It doesn't have to look like mine. Mine is nice and cute because I've got, see? That's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a spray bottle so you can be able to spritz your hair. Okay. Then the second thing you're going to need is a wide tooth comb. Please, whatever you do, please do not use a comb. Okay, let me show you the difference. This is a wide tooth comb. Can you see me? You can see most of my smile. This one, not so much. So you don't want to use a comb that's like this. This is a bit too, it's too thin. The spaces in between the comb are too thin. You need something that's wide like this so that it's easier to detangle. Okay, this should be your go-to friend for anything. Don't ever, if you're too lazy to detangle your hair with your fingers, please opt for a wide tooth comb and not this. However, use an afro pick to pick your hair, just to stretch the roots out. Okay, please do not mind the rain also because it is raining. All right, thank you. Just pick your hair and not roughly though, not like I just did. Okay, so that's the second, well, third tool, fourth tool, whatever keeping count, that you will need. The fourth tool, whatever, why am I counting? The next tool you're gonna need are hair clips. Okay, so I normally use hair clips to, I first section my hair into 4 pieces, and each piece it would have a clip, and the last piece, which will be the one I'm working with, won't have anything, and that's the one I will be either moisturizing or braiding or whatever the case may be. But these make hair management so much easier, so it's very easy to use these. Just open them, you clip them, and you're good to go. Right, then you are going to need some sort of scrunchie. I normally dunk my scrunchies in oil, just to moisturize them, and then I use them on my hair, and yeah, and I normally use these to also stretch my hair after I put it in twist, so it doesn't shrink back, because I have 4C hair and shrinkage is a bitch. Then you are gonna need shears. Okay, these are not scissors. These, okay, you can call them hair scissors, but man, we are increasing vocabulary. Shears. You're gonna be using this for trimming your hair. Are we aligned? Are we together? Okay. Also, you should be trimming your hair at least twice a year. Well, I don't know. Are you using heat in your hair? If yes, then you should be trimming more often than somebody that has not used heat in like a full year or 6 months. So because heat does damage your ends, but that's a conversation for another day. So this would be kind of like the next tool you would need. Okay, the next tool you're gonna need is some sort of bristle brush. The only time I use a brush is if I have maybe blow dried my hair and I just need to put it up in a puff, or even if my hair is wet and I'm trying to put it in a puff, then I would use this so that it kind of assists me to gather my hair, because it is a lot. And I would use a scrunchie that I've dunked in oil just to hold everything together and hope to the living God that it doesn't. But that's why I like these ones. Don't buy the ones that have those metal things in between. Those will break, especially if you've got thick hair like mine. Don't waste your money. Just buy these ones. They're all material, like the whole circumference is material. Okay, cool. Then you're gonna need some sort of toothbrush. Some sort of, as if there's like how many types of toothbrushes, right? You're gonna need a toothbrush to lay your edges, darling. Well, I mean, if you do lay your edges, then sure, you need a toothbrush. Then the last thing you're gonna need that I can remember, well, yeah, I hope I remembered everything, would be a satin scarf. Okay, you need a scarf. Okay, let me explain something to you before I get into that. If you own a cotton pillowcase and you are busy dreaming about your boyfriend and he's breaking up on you, he's cheating on you, and you are busy tossing and turning on your pillowcase, you cause friction and unnecessary tangles on your hair, because tangles is just basically knots that happen to your hair when there is friction. Okay, cool. So when you're busy dreaming about him, you are ruining your hair if it's not covered in a satin pillowcase. Okay, cool. So please, ladies, either invest in okay, ladies and men, before they come for me and say I'm not inclusive. So invest in 3 things, or one of the 3 things: a satin scarf, like I showed you here, a satin pillowcase, they do exist, or a satin bonnet. I think Clicks has new ones now. Well, they have just come into store. I saw them the other day when I was there. So okay, also all these products that I mentioned, you can all find them at a Clicks or a Discount, so a drugstore, if I've got international viewers. And if you're an international viewer, you should actually be like, hey, I'm from here, and I'll shout out to you. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I don't want to make this one too long because I'm gonna do a second part of the video. So don't be shocked, I'll still have the same clothes, just different content, all right? But it'll still be about natural hair. So I hope you found these tools helpful in case you just did your big chop and you don't know what exactly that you what is it exactly is it you're going to be needing for your hair. These are some of the basic stuff that you're going to be using for your hair on a regular basis. So I've had these I've had these for 3 years, not even almost. I've had these for 3 years. They're plastic. They're not going to be, you know, getting ruined and all that kind of stuff. It's hard plastic. So you're going to have them forever. So, you know, once you buy these, it's like an investment and they're going to last you for like a decade, unless you're just bored of them. You just want a pink clip instead of a yellow one. I don't know if it's going to make your hair grow any faster or what, but it's whatever. If you want pink clips, buy pink clips. Okay? Cool. Then, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I try to keep it as short as possible. And then I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.